In this video, we'll go over how to add the weather widget to your campaign. To get started, go to Campaigns. Open the campaign you want to edit. Once the campaign opens, select the zone where you want the weather to appear. You can click directly on the zone in the layout or select the zone from the panel on the right-hand side. The weather widget can work in smaller zones or larger zones, depending on the layout you choose. For this example, we'll add it to Zone 3. With the zone selected, click Add Widget. From the widget catalog, you can search for weather or scroll until you find the weather widget. Click the weather widget to open the settings. First, enter your postal code. Then, click Continue. Next, you'll see different weather layout options to choose from. Each layout has a slightly different look, so you can choose the one that works best for your campaign design. After selecting a layout, you can customize the widget settings. You can change the colors, adjust the style, and choose whether the temperature displays in Fahrenheit or Celsius. You can also add a background image if you want the weather widget to match a certain theme, such as a summer, spring, or seasonal design. You can choose how many forecast days to show. For example, you can show a full week, a few days, or just one day. The default may show multiple days, but you can adjust it based on what fits best in your zone. Once the widget looks the way you want, click Add to Zone. The weather widget will now appear in the selected zone. After it's added, you can still make changes. Click the pencil icon to edit the widget settings. You can also duplicate the widget or delete it if needed. If the zone has more than one piece of content, you can choose how the items play. Select Sequence if you want the content to play in order. Select Random if you want the content to play in a randomized order. You can also adjust the occurrence count if you want the weather widget to appear more often than the other content in that zone. The duration setting controls how long the widget stays on screen before moving to the next item. You can also enable a schedule if you only want the weather widget to show on specific days or during certain times. There is also an option to adjust the background color for the content item. When you're finished, make sure to click Save. If the campaign is already assigned to a live screen, click Save and Update Players so the update is pushed to your screen right away. That's how to add, customize, and manage the weather widget in your campaign.